Once again, our team,
somebody down go leave.
Palakpakan naman natin muli your team Pride together with the experts and our team Girl. Palakpakan naman po natin sila. There you have it. At dahil dyan, wait, hindi ba tayo natatapos dahil papunta na tayo sa ating pinaka-inabang pwede ng ating reception. So with that, ladies and gentlemen, may I request each and every one of us to please rise. Tayo na po tayo muli lahat because I believe that it is about time that we are going to welcome on the grand entrance of our universe, our couple sa araw na ito. Pero DJ, may inanong contest. Salamat po. Okay. Bago natin sila salubungin, meron lang po sana ako gustong ipa-observe sa inyo. Please check your tables with you. May nakakita po ba kayo siyang kulay puting panyo or a white table napkin? Kuha lang po tayo ng tag-isa. Okay, ulitin ko lang po just to clarify, hindi niyo po yan ipapamunas, hindi niyo po yan papampahid. But all you have to do with that napkin or panyo is you're just going to wave it up in the air like this. Itaas, wakayway. Habang papalapit ang ating bagong kasal. And, syempre, hindi lang basta wagayway ang ating gagawin. And we can also cheer from our couple. Sisigaw tayo, okay? Practice nga tayo isang beses lang, mabilisan lang to check your energy kung pasado na. Okay. Ready na tayo? Take one lang to. Tingnan natin kung pasado na. Wave lang yung napkin together with your cheer. Okay? Practice lang po. Okay. Ready na? Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. and Mrs. Mercado! Pwede na, pero baka kaya bang doblehin ang energy? Kaya pa yan. Practice lang. Kalma lang. Practice. Para makalma natin sila, di ba? Matingnan natin yung energy kung pasado na. Take two, last na to, no? Para malaman natin kung kaya bang doblehin ang energy ng ating mga bisita. One more time, Mr. and Mrs. Mercado! Okay, I think we're all set. Okay, abang handa-handa na tayo. Okay, harap na po tayo doon. Pasado na. And I believe we're all ready and we're all set. Dahil dyan harap na po tayo sa halabas over there. Dahil matatanong na po natin doon ang ating uniweds. Dahil dyan, precious of everyone, get ready because, ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado, let us all witness the grand entrance of our one and only newlyweds, our couple of the night, or should I say, ang ating bagong kasal sa araw na ito. So one more time, ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome on stage, Mr. and Mrs. Michael Ryan and Desiree Mercado! Once again, a round of applause for the universe, Mr. and Mrs. Mercado! Hey, there you go. Once again, come on back, Mr. and Mrs. Mercado! Okay, thank you so much. At dahil dyan, DJ, pahina lang. Ladies and gentlemen, meron lang ako papagawa pa sa inyo bukod dyan. So ladies and gentlemen, bibilang po akong tatlo. And at the count of 3, ay sabay-sabay po tayong sisigaw para sa kanila ng halagang mabuhay ang ating bagong kasal. Or should I say, mabuhay ang bagong kasal. Samahan niyo po ako, everyone. You guys ready? Okay, here we go. And 3, 2, 1, everybody side! There you have it! Alright, there you have it, everyone. Maraming salamat po. We can now take our seats. Maupo na po tayong lahat. And let's still enjoy the program for tonight. And also for our Team Pride and Team Crew, maraming salamat po. You may now also take your seats sa inyong kinaupuan. Thank you so much for your performance kanina na pasabog talaga, di ba? Okay, so the couple, we can now take your seat po if you're ready. At habang sila po ay naghahanda po dito sa Milingguan. And of course, muli po isang magandang gabi muli sa ating lahat. And before we continue on with the rest of our program for tonight, please allow me to myself first. Muli po, isang magpalang gabi po muli sa ating lahat. And my name is host Riza Proboite. I'm a specialist, and it's such an honor. And also very useful pleasure to be your host and singer. At the same time, for Mr. and Mrs. Mercado's wedding reception. Palakpakan naman po natin sila over here. Oh, diba? Okay. Palakpakan naman natin muli our newlyweds, Mr. and Mrs. Mercado. Hello po, Sir Mike. Napakaganda naman ng bride natin, Ma'am Desiree. Pero kung napakaganda ng bride natin, syempre kung ako room natin, do you agree, everyone? Sang-ayon po ba lahat? Palakpak nga po sang-ayon. Yes, diba? Magandang gabi po sa ating bagong kasal. Ayan siya. Ayan, okay. At syempre po, bago ang lahat, meron lang po tayong next portion na kailangan po ang ating couple over here. Ayan, once again pala to our newlyweds, Mr. and Mrs. Mercado, on behalf of everyone who are here tonight, we would like to greet you once again. Congratulations and best wishes po sa inyo. Okay, at dahil po dyan, gusto ko sanang mag-get along lang kayo. No? So I'll be asking you quick, questions lang naman. Just 2 questions only para sa inyo. Okay? All about your experience of your wedding. Okay? DJ, pahila lang na ating audio. Siyempre po, you'll be asking or also answering questions pa rin tatanong ko. Okay? First up, dahil ladies first tayo, mauuna si Ma'am Desiree. Ma'am Desiree, good evening. How are you? Kamusta ka? Anong naramdaman mo ngayon, madam?
Okay naman, happy. Happy ako din.
Super happy, madam. Okay. How about you, sir? How are you feeling right now? Finally, this is it. Your dream wedding is happening right now. Ano po naramdaman niyo, sir?
Saya din. Saya. Same as nararamdaman.
Okay, di ba? Same exact feeling. Palakpakan naman natin sila. Okay, sige. So, kanina kasi po, I believe, during the ceremony, they already did their wedding vows together. Pero, to end our questions for the interview, syempre, ano natin yan. I-disregard na po natin ang ating wedding vows. Okay? So, right now, wala po kahit anong babasahin, any script. This is just coming from your heart and your mind. Tingin po kayo sa isa't isa. Okay lang po ba? Magtitigan po kayo? Akin na muna, ma'am, yung iyong bouquet dahil ikaw ang mauuna. Okay, Ma'am Desiree and Sir Mike. Siyempre, pag hindi na po natin pwedeng ulitin yung wedding vow kanina dahil siyempre maging redundant na. Pero right after this moment, ano ba ang gusto mong sabihin or any assurance that you want to say to your husband na si Sir Mike?
Lagi kong i-assure sa'yo that we will be a team. No matter. Team sa lahat. Kailangan mo, kailangan. Laging nagpunta sa style communication.
Palakpakan naman po natin. Okay. And of course, syempre, hindi magpapahuli ang iyong husband, madam. So, Sir Mike, baka may nais kang sabihin anything or any message na nais mong sabihin from the bottom of your heart to your wife na si Ma'am Desiree.
Ma'am, ano nangyari? Bakit ka na
I promise you that magiging mapasensya ako. Ano naman, hindi yung kailangan ko. Hindi ako marunong mag-antay. And sana, minsan pag medyo alam mo mag-isa may tulong ko. Itindihin mo sana ako. Pero kasi salamat din sa at least tinanggap ko ako ngayon. Hindi ko alam sasabihin ko actually. Kasi okay na yun. Yun lang. And alam mo naman na mahal kita. Yun yung end na yun lang.
Palakpakan naman po natin once again our newlyweds for their on-the-spot na messages from each other. At dahil po dyan, matutunghayan na po natin ngayong gabing ito ang kanilang one of our wedding vows na inyong sisilayan sa ating bagong kasal. And let's begin with our cake slicing moment. So may I request our couple over here. Teka lang po, bababa lang po ako. so that you can be able